Mayonnaise. It's that ubiquitous condiment that's always hanging out in the back of your fridge. But have you ever stopped to think about where it came from and why it tastes so good? Welcome to Cut the Mustard, the show that uncovers the history, ingredients, and quirks of the world's most beloved condiments. From its French origins to modern twists, we'll reveal the secret ingredients and techniques that make mayo the perfect complement to any dish. So whether you're a fan of classic Hellmann's or a trendy avocado mayo, we guarantee you'll learn something new. Let's dive, taste bud first, into this creamy episode. Mayo, that creamy, tangy condiment that we all know and love. But what don't we know about it? Let's take a trip back in time to its origins in 18th century France, where it was made by hand using a mortar and pestle with ingredients like oil, egg yolks, lemon juice or vinegar, and seasonings. It's the fat from the oil that gives mayo its rich and seductive flavor, making it irresistible. Fast forward to the early 20th century, mayo was considered a luxury item, often served at fancy events and parties in decorative jars, and as a condiment for seafood dishes. It even got the nickname, the rich man's ketchup. But before we dive deeper into its history, let's take a moment to address the elephant in the room. Yes, we are aware of the other sauce that's often confused with mayo, Miracle Whip. But don't worry, we'll save that for another episode. Mayo is not just a condiment, it's a culinary chameleon. It can transform from a simple spread to a secret ingredient in your favorite dishes. It can add a creamy texture to your potato salad, a tangy kick to your marinade, and even be the secret weapon in your baking recipe. It's like the Clark Kent of condiments, mild-mannered on its own, but a superhero when paired with the right dish. So next time you reach for that jar of mayo, remember, it's not just a condiment, it's a culinary superhero in disguise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more episodes of Cut the Mustard. And let us know in the comments what condiment you want us to dive into next. Mayo be with you, my friends.